calculation column, how to create restricted column, how to create parameters. Okay, these three we discussed. Now after analytical view, we are going to discuss about calculation view. Calculation view also very important concept. If you talk about HANA Advanced, HANA 2.0, there is only concept of calculation view. Analytical and attribute view is combined with the calculation view. There is only concept of calculation view. Okay, calculation view, you can handle the complex scenarios. Okay, if you want to handle any complex scenarios, calculation view concept is very suitable. Okay, calculation view, there are two types of the calculation views. One is graphical based calculation view and SQL based calculation view. Graphical based calculation view will do everything with the navigation. Okay, SQL based calculation view, everything will be with the coding, SQL script. Okay, SQL script will write based upon SQL script. We can build the logic. So most of cases, SQL based calculation view is very easy for the technical consultant, like who are from the BIBW background. Graphical based view is they are habituated with the navigation. So if they are comfort with the navigation, GUI based calculation view is easy. For technical consultant, if you are expert in SQL based, just you have to write a SQL code only, no need of navigation. Okay, complex scenarios, if this scenario is very complex, it is very easy to handle with the SQL based. So we will have control on the logic. Now attribute view, analytical view can be consumed from the calculation view. Okay, and here we have joins, aggregations, unions, projection. There are different elements are there: projection, union, join, aggregations. Okay, the concept of projection is, we'll take object. Okay, suppose if you take the table or attribute view or anything, you may not have required to have all the fields. Suppose if you take VBAK, you may not require to have all 200 plus fields in the reporting, okay, while generating the reports. So whatever fields you required, whatever elements you required, that only you can select from the particular object. It may be table, it may be view, it may be other analytical view, anything. So analytical view or calculation view or table can be input for the calculation view. Okay, calculation view you can create, or calculation view can be input for other calculation view. Okay, so different methods are there to create a calculation view. So first of all, I am opening the HANA modeling. In HANA modeling, I am opening the calculation view. In calculation view, I'll go for two tables, VBAK, VBAP. Two tables, based on the two tables, I'll create a calculation view. Opening HANA Studio. Okay, I'll go to HANA development. Okay, I'll select any of the Access project. Actually, in modeling we already created analytical view and attribute view, and now I'll create calculation view. New. You can go to navigation, otherwise CALC. Calculation. In HANA, inside HANA database development, inside database development modeling, here you can able to see the calculation. Okay, calculation view, you can give naming convention as CL. Let's go sales. See, here we have to decide, is it graphical? Okay, is it graphical based calculation view or SQL? Okay, first of all, I'll show you graphical based calculation view. Later, I'll go to the SQL based. Okay. First, calculation. Now, just click on finish. See, some editor got opened. Okay, some editor got opened. Now what I want to do is I want to call VBAK table and VBAP table. My requirement is VBAK VBAP combined. I'll join the table. Again, one more combination VBAK VBAP will there. Both I will union. Whatever joins will come, both the joins I want to create union. Okay, so inside that I can use one analytical attribute view also. Okay, so what I do is I want to create so you want to create any you cannot access table directly, you have to access with the projection. So I'll call one projection. Okay, inside projection projection is not a join, only for one table. Okay, VBAK okay, inside that VBLN ERDAT risk HANA. You can search also, control M, you can search. Okay, this is one projection. Next, I'll create one more projection. UVAP. Some values are taken. Hello, Geeta and Srini, are you having any technical issues? You are on and off. Are you able to follow me?
Yeah, I am able to follow.
Actually, it seems you are coming on and off.
Yeah, okay. Here also it is showing some technical difficulties, but
okay. Just yeah, if you have any problems, let me know. I'll repeat. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I created this projection. So again, I'll create one more projection. Now I'm combining with the join. So there is a join. Now I am adding this two with the union. There is a concept called union. See, before union, I want to select. I added this two, so we have to select this projection 2 and projection 1. In join, you have to link with the common.
Projection 3 also has this same VBAK.
Hello? Tell me.
Projection
What is your
3 also has the same table. Projection 3 also has the same table.
Yeah, VBAK. For simple, I want to show you simple scenario. That's why I'm showing. Actually, in a regularly, what you do, there are two selections. Like here, material number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This projection. That project is some document number like customer number 1234. So which are the customer number 1234 and material number 1234? Both you have to union. Are you understanding? Hello. So in that way.
Yes, Venkat. Maybe once we see the
Yeah.
out, we'll get.
Yeah. Actually, in regular scenarios, they will give you the logic, like what is the requirement, like FS1, like ABAP, how do you do specification? Based on specification only, we will design this. Okay. So this join projection 3. Projection 4. Okay, now union these two. I am doing union. Union. So in union, just whatever fields see, try to understand the difference between union and this one. Union, just we are, what is the difference between join and union? What is the difference between join and union? Union will be the common fields. Like already we seen in a CDS union, whatever like from table 10 records are there, second table 10 records are there, okay, and whichever common exclude. So common records are 5. So 10 plus 10, 20 minus 5, 15 will come. So in the same way, here this is one query. This is one query. Actually, I didn't written any logic. You can put filter or something. You can put filter here. You can put filter here. Okay. This set is different. This set is different. These two sets together will come as a union. See, join is two tables joining. Union is different. Join is different. Are you clear? Hello? Any doubt? Okay. Now, make it down. Okay, now I can create one more projection here. Okay, I'll put here one more projection here. In this projection, I'll add attribute view, analytical view. This one. Okay, in this we have some fields. So I'll take VVLN, USNR, something. So this also I can combine with this union. Okay, this one also I can. Okay, this one also I can combine, and this one I am sending to join. So again, here if I take final level, I can take like VBAK table, like EKKO table or MAKT table. In this level, I can add with Metner and Kunal. Okay, in a low level, no need to do. Whatever final result will come, that final result with whatever union is came, with that I can do join. Okay, so I'm selecting one. If I want, I can do join here. So VBLN POSNR. So with that Kunanar or text or material text, anything I can join in final level. No need to take up to this level. Okay, final level I can join. So this is union. If you want to add any other fields, you can add. So these are all. Now I am selecting only this one. So just I try to activate. Activated. This is not here. Okay, activated. Now if I go there, some data is okay. So just you can do different logics. Okay, so you can do year name. So based upon combination, some records are coming. Are you clear? If you see one more query I created, see here union projection VBAK. I can take one analytical view and attribute view, and again one projection join with analytical and with the attribute. All together I joined, and finally I done union. This is one example. Are you understanding? Any doubt? So it is up to create with like logic building only. It is just like navigation. So for technical consultant, it is a little difficult. For technical consultant, it is a little difficult because we are habituated for coding. But who are from BIBW background, they are doing same type of navigation only for so many years. So it is very easy for them. Clear? So you have to practice. I'll send you this PPT and some documentation. Actually I'm preparing the documentation as per session wise. Just it is in completion. So I'll send you that. Okay. So you have to prepare with the different logics. Just what I am advising you is, for every object, just you take your old FS, functional specification, like sales related or purchase, like anything you take one functional specification, complex report for the any of SAP standard tables. Okay, using that tables, you take using that FS, you design one CDSU with the ALV report, and you create one AMDP, and you create one modeling. These are all same requirement, but different options. Okay, if you do in that way, you can easily understand the concepts. Okay, like without real-time functional specification, if you do like VBA, that is very simple. You cannot build up a logic. So you should have specific requirement. Based upon the requirement, if you start designing this one, you get more expertise. Okay. Now I'm going to create one calculation view with the SQL based. Now right click. Yeah. Calculation view. Script based. Okay. This is script based. So here you have to write the script. Before that, you have to create columns. Create columns like any of table. Suppose add columns from VBAK. I'll select VBLN. Okay, finish. Okay, these columns are generated. Okay, so just a simple. I'll create it. Select. Then if you want, you can use multiple table fields and you can do join and everything. Just graphical generation code. It will come as a XML code, but it won't come as a SQL. XML format you can able to see. EPL. See, the raw data is coming. Actually, I created only simple this view. Actually, you can implement very complex SQL script here. Okay, here we can implement any type of complex SQL script. Are you clear? So this is very easy for technical consultants. If you are expert in SQL script, no need to bother about graphical calculation view or graphical way of designing. Clear? Any doubts? Hello?
Clear.
Okay. So you have to practice. Like if possible, you practice with a complex scenario, and you should. Here also, just I implemented in a normal way. Okay, calculation. Just you try to put filters everywhere. Okay, try to put filter here. Here, Kunanar level filter you give here. Okay, here you give filter with Kunanar material number VBAP. Some complex scenario you build up. Like these type of complex scenarios you can build with the proper functional specification. What I am suggesting is just you take one of your complex functional specification in old report designings. You try to implement that in this way. Okay, clear? Okay, yes, tomorrow we are going to discuss about one more important topic, like access related topics. Okay, so do practice. I'll try to send the documents day wise. Okay, just I'm preparing that. I'll send you that. Okay, okay, bye. See you.
Venkat asked that PPT on ADBC connectivity and that.
Yeah, I'll share. I'll share it. I'll share. Today only I'll share it. Some programs also I'll share with you. Just go through the programs.
Okay. Okay.